Now the topic is types of inertia. Now we have learnt about inertia, that what is inertia. We know that inertia depends upon mass. If mass is more, then inertia is more. Mass is less, then inertia is less. Now we will know about the types of inertia. Inertia is divided into three types. These are inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. First we will learn about inertia of rest. Inertia of rest, the tendency of an object to remain in state of rest is called inertia of rest. Tendency, or we can say tendency of a object to oppose any change in its state of rest is known as inertia of rest. For example, when bus suddenly starts to move, the passenger in the bus fall backward. The carpet is beaten with stick to remove dust particles. Because the dust particles were at rest with the carpet, as soon as we start to beat the carpet comes into motion, and the dust particles still want to remain in their state of rest, and they fall down from the carpet. Then when tree is vigorously shaken, then then some of the leaves fall from the tree. The phenomena is same. When tree is vigorously shaken, then then the leaves still want to remain at rest, as they were at rest with the tree before, but now tree is in motion because it is shaken, but still the leaves are at rest and they fall down. Then the inertia of motion, the tendency of an object to oppose any change in its state of motion, of uniform motion, is called inertia of motion. The examples are the passengers fall forward when fast moving bus stops suddenly. It is due to the inertia of motion, because the passengers were moving along with the bus and the bus suddenly stops. Still the passengers want to move in the forward direction, and therefore they fall down. It is due to the inertia of motion. A person falls forward while getting down from a moving bus or train.